In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all chat history on Grok AI. If you want a clean slate to reduce clutter or to protect your privacy on a shared device, clearing your chat history is a quick way to do it. Before we begin, a quick heads up. When you delete your history, those conversations are removed from your account view and you generally won't be able to recover them. If there's anything you might need later, copy it to a Notes app first so you're not hunting for it afterward. Let's get started by heading to Grok's website. Open your preferred browser and go to grok.com or launch the Grok app if that's what you use. Make sure you're in the correct account where the conversations live. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The layout may look slightly different, but the flow is the same. Once Grok is open, look for the history area. On desktop, you'll typically find history in the left sidebar or along the main navigation. On mobile, it may be tucked behind a menu icon, often 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon, so tap that to reveal the options, then select History. This will bring up your list of past chats, usually arranged from most recent to oldest. With the History page open, find the Delete control used to clear everything. This commonly appears as a Delete button near the top of the page, or as a Clear All option inside a small menu, sometimes represented by 3 dots. Click or tap Delete to begin. You'll usually see a confirmation prompt, because this action can't be undone. Take a second to read it, then confirm that you want to proceed. After confirming, give Grok a moment to process the request. Your conversation list should update to show that there are no chats left. Often you'll see an empty state message indicating your history has been cleared. If you have Grok open on multiple tabs or devices, refresh or reopen to make sure everything is synced and the changes are reflected everywhere. A few quick tips to wrap up. Deleting all history removes every conversation at once, so it's best when you truly want a complete reset. It doesn't change your account settings or subscription, it simply clears the saved chats. If you don't immediately see the delete option, scroll to the top of the history page or check those 3-dot menus, as interface labels can vary by version. And that's all there is to it. Go to Grok, open history, and select delete to clear your entire chat history. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next